Tyler Ziviski, a senior from Adrian High School, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly julienne a potato. First off, you're going to need a potato. You're going to need to get a vegetable peeler and a chef's knife. First things first, you're going to take your vegetable peeler and peel your potato. Just nice smooth strokes all the way through. Doesn't need to be perfect, you can always go over it again. Now that your potato is peeled, you want to take your peelings, them in the garbage, and then you're ready to go to the next step. The next step is to square the potato. To square a potato, you need to take off the excess sides going straight down to give you a flat edge. For the next part, you are going to want to cut 1/8 inch slices off, kind of like that. So here's the reason why we cut it so thin, because thin potatoes cook much faster than thick potatoes, and it makes it look a little bit nicer when you plate it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Cooking is an art, not a science. Now that you have your decently even cuts, you're going to go to the next step, which is actually making the julienne. You're going to take it and you're going to cut it into 1/8 inch pieces again, and then you get your julienne. I'm Tyler Ziviski, and that's how you properly julienne a potato.